Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today's market watch, it is June 15th. We're going to go over exactly what's going on with Andrew Tate's token as that thing went parabolic and crazy. I'm even going to review the website because I just really like it. I think if all meme tokens had the capability to follow this narrative, they're going to have a lot more opportunity and growth because he did it right. Granted, he does have a huge following, which makes it easy for a token like that to strike gold, but it did so well, right? And please make sure you're subscribed so you never miss any crypto update, any of my TA, and any sort of opportunities I bring to the table, just because every chance that's available for us to make a 10 or 100x, I'm going to try. I did miss the Andrew Tate token only because I was not awake when it shot, and I didn't. Next morning I saw it was already too high of a market cap for me to justify the long-term risk. But Andrew Tate has finally struck again. This guy's always doing it. This time his latest venture was called the Daddy Tate. Daddy meme token. And it's kind of become the talk of the cryptoverse. But wait, before you hop on the bandwagon, or should we say daddy wagon, there's more to the story than just kind of like meets the eye. Tate recently made headlines by burning a whopping 400 million daddy tokens in a live stream, hailing it as a legendary act that could change the crypto game. Now, burning coins can indeed increase supply or reduce supply, potentially driving up the price, but is Tate's fiery act all smoke and mirrors? Let's face it, burning 114 million worth of daddy coins sounds impressive, but there's a rub that the actual liquidity for daddy sits at a meager 2.5 million. That means if Tate, instead of this dramatic incarceration had tried to sell those 400 million tokens, the price would have plummeted faster than anything possible, right? In simpler terms, it could have been the classic rug pull where the creator dumps his holdings, leaving investors and all of us just holding the damn bag, or in this case, his damn meme token. But according to Look On-Chain, a notable on-chain analysis platform, an insider transaction involved the sale of 15.14 million daddy coins for approximately $1.74 million, and that was all realized in Solana. Now, this insider initially acquired a substantial 29.8 million daddy for just $1,950, and they're smart by leveraging it into 3 different wallets. Now, the daddy did reach a $1 billion market cap. No. Now, Tate is envisioning that daddy will reach a $1 billion market cap, and right now it's roughly sitting at 165. Now, according to the data from Dex Screener, of course, the bold claims contrast sharply with recent insider activity. When somebody sells that much, it's really kind of hard to keep yourself to get to $1 billion, right? Because anytime there's a big sale like that, you're kind of taking over the gains for the token. When a big sale occurs and all that liquidity is then removed, the potential to make it to $1 billion, I find, is very, very hard, and the probability is very low. Right, so that's just something to watch out on. Am I going to get in the daddy token currently? No, because I do not know where it's going, and I do not know what insiders know that I do not know, especially for a token like this and the way that he's been advertising and talking about it. Now let's get to the Bitcoin TA so we kind of know what the weekend should look like. I did have this drawn yesterday. We saw here, you guys, we had these 2 points of touch. It did go up, but then the market started crashing again. Here's the good news. It re-stabilized here, but here's the bad news. This used to be support, and now it's resistance. So from what we're seeing here, Bitcoin does have the potential right now to continue going down, and I am actually going to open up a small short. So it has a chance to do this. If that is the case, we're looking at the next stopping point being here at 50 or 62k. The reason that's so prevalent is that there are so many touches. Look, boom, 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 boom. I even can't. It's 36 touch points, so it's about to be 37 is what it's freaking looking like. And that's how the market moves. It moves to its hot points and zones that people have psychologically really stuck to the price previously. So it's just something to think about. Now, with it being down like this, we're looking at, if you're shorting and you're using the margex leverage, you're looking at a 500% gain. right? Now, if it goes long, we're looking at what, another 5% to the next resistance, right? So that's just something to keep in mind. Bear in mind, it all just depends on your trading strategy and what you're planning to do. But from what I'm seeing right here, it does look fairly bearish. I do not see another signal for a purchase anywhere due to the indicator's momentum signals. It doesn't show it, and that really makes me feel less confident for it being in a bullish style right now. Like, I do not think that the bears are going to lose this fight for the next little bit. And if we think about it too, it is in a sense making this trend line, right, that did hit these points. So right now we're basically in this type of movement zone, right? I don't love that these liquidity points are just being skipped, but they're just high movement, right? But if we're looking at like this, we need it to break to the upside for us to see any sort of comfort in purchasing. Now, the best that could occur is it could do this, hit this, and then boom. Now, this would make this become support again. And if it does that, I will feel confident and shut my shorts, right? If it doesn't do that, I'm going to probably keep the shorts open and probably add to the position, especially if I see it continue to move. If I do not see it stabilize in this type of trend line, I am just going to assume it's going to get to here. And that's the best way to trade. Remember, I always have a stop loss. I always use I use a high amount of leverage, but I only do it with my stop losses, and I do not just let them run specifically when I'm leverage trading. So you just got to think about your play and what position you're trying to play in. Okay, you guys? Also be smart about your portfolio. The market's a little bit shaky right now, so we just have to be cautious and be watching rigorously. All right. I hope today's video helped. Make sure you are subscribed to find more options like this. And please don't forget, if you're meme token galore and you want to find more meme tokens to play with, I've got the HGAccess link below. And if you are a meme trader in the United States and you need to file your taxes, because by the way, I don't know if you guys know this, taxes are you prove that you are innocent. So it's not proven, it's not innocent until proven guilty. In taxes, it's the opposite. It's guilty until proven innocent. And it is your responsibility to prove innocent to the tax man in the United States. So the most important thing I can tell you is, if you guys want to be safe, audit ready, and protected, I do have a link below to our bcmanagement.us business. It is a crypto tax firm that focuses on DeFi meme coin taxes. We will get all of the things you need created from your wallets, broken down into sheets that then you can submit to the IRS or just hold as a backup, so you are ready to prove yourself innocent if you're ever come after. I hope this makes sense. I hope this helps for you guys. If you need anything else, comment below, let me know. Send us an email. The team and I love the emails we get. It means the world. Thank you so much for being in the crypto world, and I'll see you on the next video.